Securing visa to relocate abroad has just got easier with Sheu Baye International Best Travels and Tours. Established with the fear of God and unequivocal truth, so many have been successful through their expertise. Whatever you desire, student visa, visiting visa, flight booking, hotel reservation, and what have you in travel logistics, it is as easy as the ABC. Sheu Baye has no equal in the service of Hajj and Umrah pilgrimage because they are government approved. Wherever your destination may be, US, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, Netherlands, UK, and several other countries in Europe and America, Sheu Baye is your sure plug. Visit Sheu Baye Corporate Office today at shop number 1 at Duke Ade Plaza along Fagbesa Ebenezer Hotel Road, Oshogbo, Osun State. Email sheubayeinternational@gmail.com. Telephone 0702-616-9781 or 0810-275-0225. Sheu Baye Best International Travels and Tours, your most preferred choice in global travels.